telling me that debris being lofted 22,000 feet above the surface. That is an indicator that we're dealing with a strong tornado, guys. The fact that it has an ability to do so. We're going to keep up this live look. I just want to really drive home the point that this is a tornado emergency. Even the National Weather Service making sure you understand that we have a dangerous, large, destructive tornado currently plowing through.
Violent tornado with a history of considerable to catastrophic damage on a direct course for downtown Jackson. Tornado emergency for the Jackson Metro. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for central Rankin County in central Mississippi, southeastern Hinds County in central Mississippi, south central Madison County in central Mississippi, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Raymond, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the Jackson Metro and surrounding areas. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: destructive tornado with a history of producing considerable to catastrophic damage across Hinds County. Source: Weather Spotters, Emergency Management, and the public confirm large violent tornado. At 8:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Emergency Management reported several neighborhoods southwest of Jackson to be completely leveled, with vehicles mangled beyond recognition. Numerous fatalities have already been confirmed in these areas. Impact: this is a life-threatening situation. You could be killed if not underground or in a tornado shelter. Complete destruction of entire neighborhoods is likely. Many well-built homes and businesses will be completely swept away from their foundations. Debris will block most roadways. Mass devastation is highly likely, making the area unrecognizable to survivors. The tornado will be near Jackson and Richland around 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pearl around 8:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Madison, Richland, and Flowood around 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Brandon around 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Fannin around 9:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pisgah and Goshen Springs around 9:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Leesburg around 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.
Long-tracked, deadly tornado expected to impact Rankin, Scott, Leake, and Neshoba counties within the next 30 minutes. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mississippi Emergency Management Agency. Large swaths of Jackson, including areas southwest and northeast of Jackson, have been devastated following an extremely destructive tornado. The National Weather Service expects this large and deadly tornado to continue for at least the next 30 minutes as the downstream conditions remain highly favorable. Take immediate tornado precautions now to protect your life. It is strongly suggested to seek underground shelter if possible, as most above-ground structures have been destroyed, and in some cases, completely swept away. Repeating, a long-tracked, deadly tornado is expected to impact Rankin, Scott, Leake, and Neshoba counties within the next 30 minutes. Prepare accordingly.
Long-tracked, deadly, and exceptionally violent tornado continues. Seek underground shelter immediately to protect your life. Tornado emergency for Leake, Neshoba, Newton, and Scott County.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Jackson Police Department, Jackson Fire Department, and the Hinds County Emergency Management Ministry. At around 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large and extremely deadly tornado moved through Hinds County, hitting the city of Jackson directly, including suburbs to the southwest and northeast of the metro. The extent of the damage and casualties are currently unknown. However, it's reported that swaths of downtown Jackson have been completely leveled, with suburbs on the southwest side of the metro being swept away, with so much debris blocking roads that emergency services cannot reach those affected. It is advised for all citizens to remain indoors if possible and to avoid the hardest hit areas at all costs. If you are hearing this message and are trapped, hurt, or lost, please remain calm, as it may be hours before anyone can assist you. Know that emergency services are working tirelessly, and you will not be forgotten.